My name is Asim, and I'll be here to help you have a better understanding of how the ClickConnex works. I'll be breaking this video down into several sections and go into detail about the mobile application. Our goal is to make this process as simple and easy as possible. Let's begin. The purpose of the app is to connect your business extension number to the employee's smartphone and having corporate and personal phone directories at your fingertips. This is a great way to support mobile workers. Some features and benefits that come with the app are the ability to use cellular or Wi-Fi networks, voicemail that includes playback and forward to coworkers via email, one click to join conference calls, and a do not disturb and call forward always option will work on most devices. Some system requirements are the customer must have asterisk 1.8 and they also must have SIP proxy enabled. The user must have a primary extension. Note that codec cannot be G729 only. And the user must have a login to the portal. Also, the user's device must be an iPhone 5S or 5C and higher with iOS 9.3 and above. We will be rolling out Android at a later date. When it comes to creating users, we will use the import-export tool, this .csv file. We can download the app by going to the App Store and searching for ClickConnex. Once it is downloaded, the user will log in using their ClickConnex portal login. And in the app, the Trozlan logo during the onboarding or setup process will appear. During the customer onboarding setup screen, you will be asked how you would like to receive calls. You will be given the option to choose either Wi-Fi and cellular data or Wi-Fi only, or if you'd like, you can also choose to not accept inbound calling at all. Next, it'll ask you for permissions, such as access to the microphone, contacts, and the ability to send you notifications. We can go ahead and just press OK and allow for all of those. Once that is done, you will be getting a reminder about the virtual attendant. Go ahead and press next, and then you'll see the completion screen. On the home page, you will be given the options to place calls from voicemail, the recent call list, and accessing your phone contacts using the keypad. This screen shows an example of how a call would work. So let's say you're getting an incoming call from Melissa Cody. You'll be getting a prompt to either accept or decline the call. Let's move on to voicemail. The greetings and delete buttons are on the top left and right. This interface allows you to listen to a voicemail, call back, or share the voicemail via email. Once you are done checking your voicemail, you can go ahead and press the 3 lines on the bottom right to take you back to the home page. Next, we have the voicemail greetings. You can select from the mailboxes of extensions assigned to users. Next, you can select what type of voicemail greeting you'd like to set up, the name, unavailable, or busy. You'll have the ability to press record and stop, save, redo, or go back without saving. Let's move on to using the ClickConnex conference bridge. Here we can choose from attendee and moderator and add to the bridged call. The next tab is recent calls. You can click on the phone icon to call back under the Recent Calls tab. We provide the ability to use the ClickConnex contacts as well as the iPhone contacts within the app. As you can see here, we have a tab for the favorites, corporate, personal, and local. You may also create a favorite contact list with the tab on the top left. And we also provide a keypad. The layout for dialing from a keypad should be pretty straightforward, just like a regular phone. You have add to contacts on the top left and placing the call on the bottom. If you'd like to transfer during an active call, press the transfer button and choose from contacts or keypad. Then it'll prompt you with a transfer call page. Go ahead and press yes, and then you'll be receiving a confirmation message. Let's move on to settings. The settings contains the Wi-Fi and data network, do not disturb, call forward always, and signing out. This is where you can choose between accepting calls with Wi-Fi, cellular, or not accepting inbound calls. The CFA option will be under settings as well. For the first destination, you can select the extension you'd like, and if that line is busy, you may choose the operator number. You may sign out by going to settings and pressing the sign out button on the top right. And this will bring you to the sign in page. Now let's move on to our final section, the virtual attendant. The virtual attendant must be configured in the ClickConnex portal. This will provide the ability to see and override existing business hours via the portal and the mobile app. For example, business hours versus after hour recordings, or business hours versus after hours call routing. Remember, the virtual attendant must already have been created in the ClickConnex software to be used by the mobile app, and anyone needing to edit or update the virtual attendant must have profile permissions. Now this screen will show all the virtual attendants that have been listed in the ClickConnex portal. You will be able to switch from business hours to after hours with just the tap of a button. The virtual attendance schedule lists all the existing events with the time frames in blue. You may change the schedule of events from the mobile app by pressing on a date. And on this screen, we can edit events and delete them as well. Lastly, we have the virtual attendant greetings. The main tab will show you the default greetings you have been set up with. To change the routing of a certain key, select either business or after hours. In the final screen, you may select the extension and then the routing settings. Thank you for tuning into this video tutorial of the Trozlan Cloud UC ClickConnex mobile app. I hope you have a great day. Reach us at 404-591-9937, or you may drop us an email at sales@trozlan.com.